So, how are you doing today?
Well, I've had better days.
What's bothering you now?
I think I should go and get the shotgun.
What? What did the dogs do?
It's not the dogs. If I have much more trouble with this old girl, I think I'm gonna get the shotgun and put her out of her misery.
Okay, all right back and just shoot her?
Yep, shoot
What's
her right. I'll shoot her right in the big doghouse here.
okay? What's giving you grief today?
Oh, everything is so thin, and I can't weld this stuff here because then it's permanent. I gotta screw it all down and make it work. So I might have to get it all fixed up. The travel has to be just right.
Yeah.
That's park,
Oh, let me look here. Yeah.
park,
Okay.
reverse, neutral, drive one, whoop, drive two, and then low.
Okay.
So it's all got to work.
Is it just not sliding the right way for you
No,
right now?
it's to time it.
Okay.
I won't know until I cut this rod off and put a 1/4 inch rod on there, and then I might have to drill more holes because it all has to work right. And then what I'll probably do is drill bigger holes and put bolts and nuts in because the floor is so rotten, and for me to fix from here back, I gotta take the tracks off to make
The tracks.
to get into weld on the frame. So the only chunk I can put in right now is here.
Okay.
But if I stick with it, I'm sure I'll get it.
So fun then.
Yeah,
Any visitors today?
Peter was here for a few minutes.
Okay.
He was cutting brush yesterday.
Okay.
I wrecked the brush cutter, so now he's gonna go and hide it somewhere.
Okay.
Well, might as well have a coffee.
Okay.
This guy goes in the doghouse first, and then Daisy goes in. So when they're both crowded in there, I think they're pretty warm. I don't know if Jake even goes home anymore.
Charlie, you mean?
Or Charlie.
I think they go home at night, but
They're here in the morning in the
Yeah.
doghouse.
Okay.
Danny and his wife are going to think we stole her dog. It'd be good if they did go home once in a while just to keep in touch with the family.
Yeah, well, they're pretty happy to be in the shop, though.
Oh, it's nice. And this fresh snow is sure nice for playing.
Yeah.